A resume is one of the most important tools when it comes to applying for opportunities. So you want to be sure that your resume not only stands out, but also is organized and well written. Luckily, Career Services has an online tool to help named Optimal Resume. Let's find it together. From the Oswego Career Services webpage, select Online Career Tools to the left of the page, then scroll down to Optimal Resume and select Build Your Resume. After you create your account, you'll be directed to this page, which is the Document Center, where you will select Create New Resume. Here is where you are prompted to name your resume. You select Start Resume. And on this page, you are provided with different ways to start your resume. We recommend the Start from Scratch option. You will see that your personal information you put in when you made your account is already formatted and included on your resume. On the right side, there are different tools and resources to help edit and enhance your resume. The Document section allows you to adjust the formatting and the style of your resume and can also ensure there are no spelling mistakes. The Sections section is where you showcase your skills and experiences in a clear and concise manner. When adding a section, you can choose from general, experience, or hybrid. General formats are good when you want to describe your objectives, skills, honors, and awards. Experience formats are beneficial for describing multiple institutions. Hybrid format is beneficial for multiple experiences and skills gained from non-work related activities, such as clubs or associations. But when in doubt, we recommend the Experience section. Lastly, the Tools section has all the tips and tricks for writing your resume by providing examples and instructions, and there are also informational videos about using Optimal Resume. Optimal Resume saves your work automatically, and you also have the leisure of utilizing it after you graduate. If you have any questions, you can contact us by emailing at careerservices@oswego.edu or visit the Compass Resource Center while classes are in session in 145 Marano Campus Center.